Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open the document and double-click the top margin to enter the header. This puts you where changes matter. Once inside, look at the header label, different first page or same as previous, and enable Show /hide to reveal hidden breaks. You need to know whether sections exist. If a section break separates content, changes in one header won't propagate. So, inspect the header type and active section number now, because that determines whether you fix one header or relink multiple headers. You now break the automatic link when headers differ across sections. Click Header and Footer Tools and turn off Link to Previous to isolate edits. Once unlinked, make precise edits. Fix spacing with tabs or an invisible table, correct logos, and set alignment. If content shifts, change margins and layout to keep the header area consistent across sections. Make sure to apply identical edits to each section you intend to match. Otherwise, headers will remain inconsistent despite your changes. You finish by closing the header/footer view and scanning the document and print layout to confirm consistency. If differences persist, locate and remove stray section breaks or change them to continuous breaks so headers flow uniformly. Make sure to check different first page and even/odd options too. If corruption seems likely, odd spacing or unresponsive header controls, copy the body and paste into a fresh document. Then recreate a single header. This often clears hidden formatting that resists direct.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.